Hello and a warm welcome to Coastal Estate Holiday Cottages. I do hope you're having a wonderful holiday and welcome to the coffee machine. So let's get started on making a decent cup of coffee with pre-ground coffee. I should mention at this point that if you prefer to use beans to make your coffee, then do look at my other beans video on our Coastal Estate Holiday Cottages YouTube channel. Just before we set off, there are three things to note here first of all. Firstly, don't place coffee beans in the pre-ground coffee funnel. Secondly, don't add pre-ground coffee when the machine is switched off. The machine must be switched on. And thirdly, don't use any more than one level measure of coffee, as this could cause blockages. This means that you can only make one cup of coffee at a time. So now we've got those housekeeping matters out of the way, let's go. Fill up the tank by pulling out the tank at the side here and topping up with water here. The tank just slides out and in quite easily. The machine will tell you if you're running low with a flashing light which pops up here. Make sure the coffee machine is turned on. There's a switch at the back and there's also a switch at the front. Grab a cup and put it under the coffee nozzles, as the machine will soon send water through as the system heats the pipes up. Putting a cup underneath stops the tray getting too full of water. Turn the coffee taste selection dial anti-clockwise as far as it will go to the little coffee scoop icon, which is about 7 on the clock. Okay. Add one level measure of pre-ground coffee into the pre-ground coffee funnel. Press the espresso button. And the coffee machine will start to work on your coffee. And there we have it, a delicious espresso. Now let's try making a large coffee, which you'll find is a two-phase process. Add one level measure of pre-ground coffee into the pre-ground coffee funnel. Press the long coffee button here on the right. And you'll find that halfway through making the coffee, the machine stops and the light with an exclamation mark comes on. It's back here. And there's another light that flashes here. There we go. At this point, add another level measure of the pre-ground coffee into the funnel. Press the long button again, and you should find the machine sets off again. If you want a latte or a cappuccino, you can use the steam wand here. So grab a jug and pop some milk into it. Press the steam button here, and when it starts to flash, you're ready to roll. The steam wand has a little collar on it. You push it up if you want hot milk, and it's down for frothy milk. But I'm going to go for hot milk, so I can make a latte. Now, turn the dial here anti-clockwise to push the steam through and put it in the jug of milk. Do be careful though, because it's hot steam coming out. That's it. A lovely, large latte. There are a few housekeeping tips I'd be grateful if you could carry out during your stay. You can empty and clean the water tray and the coffee grinds by pulling the tray out here. Always clean the frothing wand with a damp cloth after use. And do let me know if the descaler light comes on here and we can organise for the coffee machine to be scaled for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching and wishing you happy holidays at Coastal Estate Holiday Cottages in South West Scotland.